Heavy magnesium ball press is a kind of high-tech equipment, specially designed for metal powder ball press. It can effectively save the use of minerals and beautify the environment. But when the machine is running, we must pay attention to a problem, namely, heat dissipation. Many customers do not pay attention to these details when using the machine. Today we learn about the heat dissipation problem of heavy magnesium ball press in operation. As long as the machine is running, it generates a lot of heat, although the machine itself has the function of cooling, but the machine will not run for a short time. Special attention is therefore necessary. Otherwise, if there is no heat dissipation for a long time, the service life of the machine will be greatly shortened, and sometimes some parts of the machine will burn out. Therefore, the heat dissipation of heavy magnesium ball press is very important. The long-term operation of the machine is easy to cause problems. Once the internal parts of the machine are burned out, due to the internal overheating of the machine, the replacement of the parts is